The monumental challenges posed by rapidly escalating residential property expenses, coupled with a surging collective desire for a more ecologically sound and intentionally simplified existence, have fundamentally driven the proliferation of the tiny house movement, giving rise to a multitude of inventive, compact housing solutions. Standing out amidst this array is the mid-century tiny house on wheels SOW, a manifestation that is particularly compelling both for its striking visual appeal and its profound underlying philosophical coherence. Embracing this style of habitation transcends the simple act of merely shrinking one's living space. It constitutes a meticulously considered amalgamation of unrestricted mobility, refined architectural elegance, and an unwavering dedication to the flawless integration of practicality and artistic integrity. These miniature or transportable residencies draw substantial inspiration from the definitive design principles of the American post-war era. Spanning approximately the 1940s through the 1960s, an epoch recognized for its emphasis on crisp, unadorned structural outlines, the generous incorporation of daylighting, and a fluid visual dialogue with the surrounding natural environment. Consequently, these mobile structures offer their inhabitants a portable, tangible piece of classic architectural legacy, providing a compelling counterpoint to the excessiveness of oversized, typical suburban homes, while simultaneously eschewing overly crude or traditional aesthetics, thereby advocating for an enduring, graceful style that fosters tranquility and an environment devoid of unnecessary accumulation, perfectly illustrating the defining tenets of modern minimalist design through the powerful maxim, elegance through restraint. The definitive identity of the mid-century Theo is fundamentally established by its unyielding adherence to specific,